Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Litecoin that could drop 32% if support does not hold. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. So as from the introductory statement, quite a bearish move to be seen in Litecoin as more and more dark clouds are moving over. So we had a tail risk yesterday being quite quickly priced out. Markets were very keen to, just looking at a trend line. No, that's not the best. Let me erase that for you. There we go. So markets were jumping on the risk-on sentiment in the idea that, okay, Shanghai is reopening, so the supply chain issues will be less severe as foreseen. Inflation will start to come down a little bit, but then the risk was in the tail, or the devil was in the detail, and the fact that next to Shanghai, Beijing is set to start its lockdowns, and that could be the next big issue ahead for Asia. And then on the other hand, and yesterday late evening, we had Fed Chair Powell coming out with comments that were not supportive for the economy, where he foresays that inflation is the first issue at hand, and if needed, they will come out even more hawkish to tackle that. So quite a hawkish reaction, which triggered, of course, some dollar strength. And it's that dollar strength that has been, since the beginning of May, has been dictating this sharp move from 110 all the way back to 50. So it has really decimated almost the Litecoin price. So once that dollar strength kicks in back again, as long as this S2 support level around 70, 71 can hold, all is fine. But once through there, risk is that we see, first of all, a full reversal all the way back, paring all back all the gains from yesterday, and that could be roughly 8 or 9% to the downside. But even then, if there is more negative headlines or another negative catalyst coming in, then that could be the final push that pushes Litecoin over the edge and sees it pairing back towards $52. So that's 25, and then possibly printing a new low. Then we get that S3 at 47. So 1, 2, 3 levels to be mindful of. That's 65, that low of the year at 51, 52, and then that 47 to the downside. To the upside, although the S1 maybe 82 could be a nice one to have a look, would be a nice pairing back with the losses since the 11th of May. But then further up, you have this red descending trend line, you have this green pivotal line, and just above there, a few dollars above, you have another pivotal line. So that is quite, okay, it's 36% of gains. So that would be quite interesting, but all in all, it will be quite difficult to break this descent, this trend line that is weighing on sentiment. And of course, 55-day below the 200. So we are still in an overall longer-term downtrend. So any upside would need to be a very strong rally and be able to overturn all the bearish elements that are currently residing. That's it for Litecoin for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.